So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, I came in on the biggest hiring from the Indian Army, and especially those who are BTech graduates. I will suggest must apply for this important opportunity. So, you can see this is the latest announcement from Indian Army. So, applications are invited from the eligible unmarried male engineering graduates for short service commission SSC in the Indian Army. Course will commence in April 2027. So, if you are till 2027 pass out, and age limit for this is 20 year till maximum 27 year. Okay, so this is a wonderful opportunity. So I will cover each and every point about the process, how you can get and number of vacancy and all things. So make sure to listen each and every point, and for getting such important updates you can subscribe us. तो चलिए बात करते हैं कि ये हायरिंग क्या है. दिस इज फॉर द ऑफिसर ग्रेड एंट्री. ओके, एंड दे हैव इनवाइटेड द एप्लीकेशंस. सो यू नो सिंस दिस इज अ इंडियन आर्मी वैकेंसी, सो यू शुड बी फिजिकली फिट, एंड उसके लिए भैया आपको एक नॉर्मल मीन्स एक फिजिकल फिटनेस टेस्ट से पास करना होगा. दैट इज 2.4 किलोमीटर रन. टाइमिंग इज 10 मिनट 30 सेकेंड्स. पुशअप मीन्स पंच अप, पुल अप, सिट अप, स्क्वाट्स, लंच एंड स्विमिंग. So should know the fundamentals of swimming. So these are the requirement for this. And beside that, the date of birth recorded in the matriculation secondary school examination, that will be considered for your age. Okay, so candidates who have passed the requisite engineering degree course, means remember only engineering students can apply for this role, and who are in the final year of engineering degree course are eligible to apply. Means if you are pass out or if you are in the final year, still you can apply for this role. And alongside mark sheet of all semester year by April 1 2027, means you should get your mark sheet in all things by 1st April 2027. So this is the important hiring. Now what are the process for this? So remember friends, this is for the BTech degree students only, and the process for this is that you don't need to give any exam. It completely depend on your the marks which you get in your semester's exam, all that. Okay, so if you will go through it, so I'll also provide the PDF. Okay, so they have clearly mentioned that note 3, final semester year student candidates will be provisionally allowed to appear in SSB subject to following condition, that is their cumulative percentage of marks up to 6 semester third year of engineering degree, or up to 8 semester fourth year of B architecture, एंड अप टू सेकेंड सेमेस्टर फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ एमएससी. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंगली जो भी फाइनल ईयर में है उनको भी दिया जाएगा मौका. एंड 2026 कैन अप्लाई फॉर श्योर. ओके, इफ यू डोंट हैव फाइनल ईयर मार्कशीट, सो टिल 6 सेमेस्टर का आप लोग को डिटेल्स वगैरह देना है. सो क्लियरली मेंशन दे हैव ओनली इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम्स. ना हु और विच ब्रांचेज आर एलिजिबल. First branch is civil engineering. Total number of vacancies for this is 75. Computer science and computer technology or MSc in computer applications. Total 60 vacancies are there. So if you are coming from any of these background like computing, in computing and computer engineering, computer science, computer technology, computer science engineering, कोई भी ये सब branches में, then you are eligible for this wonderful role. And if you are from IT background, eligible. Electrical backgrounds are also eligible, and for this total number of positions are 33. Next, if you are from the EC electronics and communication branches, तो भी आप एलिजिबल है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज जो है इसमें 64 है. ओके, एंड अदर ब्रांचेस का आप देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, मैकेनिकल स्टूडेंट्स में सबसे ज़्यादा वैकेंसी देखने को मिल रहा है. टोटल 101 वैकेंसीज है. सो इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम दीज ऑल बैकग्राउंड, देन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस. एंड लास्ट, दैट इज मिसलेनियस फॉर द डिफरेंट फ्लोर, दैट इज प्लास्टिक और दीज ऑल ब्रांचेस. अगर आपने इंजीनियरिंग किया है, देन यू आर एलिजिबल. सो टोटल वैकेंसीज अराउंड 350 एज अ होल है. एंड कोई भी आपको एक्स्ट्रा एग्जाम नहीं देना है. कम्प्लीटली आपका जो ऑल सेमेस्टर मार्क्स के अकॉर्डिंग होगा. ओके, सो दोज हु आर क्लियर द test, or those who shortlisted, they will call for SSB interview, and that is the critical part. So you should pass the SSB interview, and they have clearly mentioned that shortlisting for this is percentage of marks obtained by the candidates till final year semester. So final semester से जितना आपका marks है उसके according भाई आप लोगों को shortlist किया जाएगा. So this is the important things, and you will be getting lots of perks and benefits. So just you can go through it. I will provide all the apply link in the descriptions. So they are hiring for the different roles and different ranks, and salary range vary according to that. Okay, so payout scale आप देख सकते हैं level 10 56,000 से 1,77,000, and this is wonderful profile. Friends, I will suggest either आप select होते या ना हो, but must apply for this role. Hope informative to कोई भी query feel free to ask here. And related to application process, just you have to visit to the Indian Army site. So you have to register yourself and you have to provide just basic detail. So मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.